Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the products that I bought recently. So I have shopped a little bit from Flipkart and Purplle. So I'm going to share those products with you. So before proceeding, I wanted to tell you all these products I bought from my own money. This is not at all sponsored, or I haven't received any of the products in my PR. So some of the products I wanted to try, and all these products are very affordable. They're on the affordable side because I wanted to try these products and I wanted to share with you how these products are. So if they are good, then definitely you can also buy these products. And if you're having any function, or if you're having wedding, then definitely you can buy these products and it will be really helpful to you. That's why I thought of sharing with you. And there are not much products. You can see I have kept all the products in this cardboard, and this is the Purplle cartoon that I've received. And Flipkart packaging is not with me. I have thrown that away. So guys, I also wanted to tell you one thing. When I got all these products, immediately after that I have sprayed sanitizer, because nowadays you must be knowing, due to the current COVID situation, it is very risky. So these packages they come, and many people they handle them so that so these packages and cardboard packaging, they are handled by so many persons. So definitely we need to sanitize them well before touching them or using them. So that is one tip and a suggestion that I wanted to tell you. If you are ordering anything online, then please sanitize it well, and after that you can use. If you like such type of haul videos, makeup tutorials, product reviews, then please do subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, guys. And please hit the notification bell which is next to it, so that you will be notified whenever I upload my videos. And if this video is helpful and you like all these products, then please give it a big thumbs up and definitely share. So let's begin with the products. So the first product, so I'm not showing the product in any order. Whatever will come to my hand, I will show you. So the first product is this one. This is Biotique Natural Makeup Magic Care All Day Foundation, and this one is in the shade She Cell. So my shade is She Cell, which is good for fair skin tones. So this foundation is actually very affordable. So this is only for rupees 140. So I thought of trying this out. So I will definitely try this product and I'll let you know how this product is. So this is the first product. The second product is this one. So this one, you can see this is a very popular product right now. This is Blue Heaven High Coverage Foundation with Primer. This has SPF 50 plus, PA triple plus, and the price is rupees 350, you can see, but I got this on a very good discount from Purplle. So always Blue Heaven products are available on very good discount on purplle.com. So I got this on a flat 25% discount from Purplle, and I was so happy because I from long time I wanted to try this foundation. And also we are getting a blender free, which is a very good deal. So so the blender itself is of rupees 150, but I have got both these products for rupees 260. So it's a very good deal. So definitely I am going to try this and I will let you know. And I will also use in my makeup tutorials, and I will let you know how this product is. So my shade is cream beige. It's written over here, you can see. And guys, if you like this makeup look that I'm wearing on my face right now, then definitely I will share the link in the description box. Please watch that video, because you can see this makeup look turned out to be so beautiful. And I have used a very affordable makeup kit in that video. So if you want to see what I have used and how I achieved this makeup look, then please check out that video. So next thing that I have is this one. This is Dreamy 15 Baked Eyeshadow from SFR Color. So nowadays I'm literally obsessed with this brand, guys, this SFR Color brand. So it is so affordable, and everything you will get within rupees 500, not more than that. I don't think even 500, within rupees 350 you will be getting each and every product. And they're so affordable, and they're so highly pigmented, and the packaging is on point and bomb. You can see the packaging of this palette. Looks so beautiful, guys. And this palette I have bought from Flipkart, and I will give the link in the description box if you want to buy. So this one I have seen many YouTubers, like they have got this palette for rupees 350, but I got this palette for only rupees 300 from Flipkart. That's why I grabbed this. And this is a baked eyeshadow palette. I'll be showing you, opening you and showing you. Guys, look, just look at the shades, guys. It's so beautiful. So I just fell in love with this palette actually, due to the color choices, the shades, and there are no matte shades. As the name suggests, these are baked eyeshadows, so these are very highly pigmented, and all the shades are shimmery, and they look very beautiful on eyelids. So for parties, weddings and all, you can definitely buy this palette. And also you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 into 3, 15 sets. Good quality mirror is given with this palette. So I will show you the pigmentation of some of the shades. This grayish black, you can see with a single touch the pigmentation, and it is very buttery soft, with buttery smooth to touch. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh my god, this is a pink shade. And this palette is also very versatile. You can use this as an eyeshadow, as a blush, as a highlighter. Oh my god, look at these 4 shades. Oh my god, this golden shade is so beautiful. You can see the pigmentation, guys. I hope you can see. So I have swatched only 4 shades. You can see the pigmentation on my finger and on my hand. This palette is actually a must-have palette, and definitely I will do a full dedicated review of this palette and I will share with you. So this is my third product, and this is the Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder with Sunscreen. And this is a very good compact. I have tried it recently and I just loved it. And this is in the shade Natural. The MRP is rupees 150, but I got it on 25% discount. The only problem with this product is the shades. There are not many shades. This is available in 2 shades. One is Natural and another is Universal, and another is the packaging. The packaging is little bit flimsy. It is not very good. But still, then for the price, this is not a bad product. It is very mattifying. So the next product that I have is this one. This is Bella Boste Dip and Go Sponge Nail Polish Remover. So there was an offer going on, like buy one get one on Bella Boste products, and this particular offer is always there on Purplle. So either buy one get one or buy two get two, this type of offers you will always get on Bella Boste products on Purplle. So at that time I have taken this one, and also a nail polish that I'll be showing you right now. So this is a very good product, guys, and this is very convenient to use to remove nail polish. Glitter nail polish also you can easily remove using this product. And this is also very travel friendly and very affordable as well. So the price is rupees 150. So you can see there is a sponge inside. So just we need to dip our finger and we need to rotate and remove it. So it's very convenient to use, and I highly recommend this product. And there is also no sulfate, no paraben in this product, and it is also toxicity free, which is a very good part. Next product is from Bella Boste. So this is Bella Boste Lux Collection Premium Nail Enamel. So, and this is their cookie variant actually. This is shade number 243, and this is also toxic free product. It's written over here. You can see it's such a beautiful nail polish, and here the quality is also very good. The MRP is rupees 149, and you can see there are small particles inside this. Definitely I will wear this nail polish and I will show you in my upcoming videos like how this nail polish looks. And I have applied this nail polish on my toenails, and also it is very long lasting. I have tried this and I can tell you. So this nail polish is of very good quality and I highly recommend. So the next product that I have is this purple kajal in the shade Copper. You can see. So already I have the purple kajal in the black shade. So you can see, I will just show you the color, the shade. You can see the shade. It is a coppery sort of shade, and it is very soft. It is very soft, buttery smooth, and you can see the pigmentation. Oh my god, It is very highly pigmented, and I've also tried this product. It is totally waterproof, smudge proof. So once it sets, I will rub it and I will show you. Also, this is a very affordable kajal. The price I'm telling you, the price is rupees 249. But this product I have got on a flat, I think 30% discount from Purplle. So this product is always available on good discount. So at time of offers and all, you can take this at a very good discount. So you can see this kajal has dried. Right now it has set. So now I'll try to smudge and I'll show you. Guys, you can see it is not at all smudging. So this is a very good smudge proof and waterproof kajal. So definitely if you want, you can buy this. The next product that I got as a free gift from Purplle is this one. This is Purplle Eye Spy High Tech Liquid Eyeliner. So already I had this eyeliner before. I have also shown you before in my in some of my makeup tutorials, and even also I have applied this liner today on my eyes. You can see this is very beautiful jet black color, and it is totally matte. It is not shiny liquid eyeliner, and also it is waterproof and smudge proof. It is such a good quality eyeliner, and you can see the packaging is so beautiful, so classy, and you can apply wing eyeliners very precisely. You can see the tip, it is so thin, and it is like a felt tip eyeliner, a pen eyeliner. MRP is actually on a very higher side. This is for rupees 799, but always this product is available on very good discount on Purplle. So if you want, you can definitely purchase this product. These are Nivea Protect and Care roll-on, and this is Nivea Whitening Skin roll-on. So these two also I have taken from Flipkart. There was some good discount going on, so I grabbed these two because these are my regular use products, and that's why I thought of buying them. And guys, also I have ordered some more things from Purplle because recently there was some sale going on Purplle, the Monsoon Mania sale. So those products I have not received yet, so definitely I will also share the haul with you after I get all those products. So the next product that I have in my hand is, you can see, this is Nile Naturals Advanced Shampoo Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo. You can see, and it is such a big bottle. So this is 800 ml of product I am getting. This one I have got from Flipkart, and it is so affordable, guys. The price is rupees 305. It's mentioned over here, but I have got this for only rupees 182 from Flipkart. So that's why I bought this. And in my home also, my family, they also use this shampoo. That's why I ordered this, and you can see it is so affordable, and also it is a very good quality. It is paraben free. It is written over here. It is paraben free and a very good shampoo, and I also definitely recommend you. Guys, these were all the products that I bought recently, and I'll definitely give the links in the description box if you want to buy any of these products. And also I'll be doing reviews, and in my future videos I'll be using all these products, and I'll be sharing how these products are and how they perform on me. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.